Once again, friends, welcome to our channel. If you're new to our channel, please like, subscribe. Thank you. So guys, I traced my pattern earlier on another paper, so in order to make this visible, I will go ahead and trace it clearly so you all can see this perfectly. So using my French curves, I have to create the crotch line area perfectly, and then using my ruler to trace the dot line. So here we go. To get the depth of our pockets, I will be going down from the waistline by 7 inches. I did the same inwards, 7 inches. Then to get the wideness of our pocket, I'll be marking 5 inches on our waistline. So on the waistline, I'll mark 5 inches. Then to confirm my 7 inches, so it's correct, very accurate. So I'll go ahead and connect this on a straight line and then connect the other points upwards. Perfect. You can see my hand fitting into the pocket area perfectly. So now I'll trace this out. So I'll go ahead and trace this on another piece of paper, tracing it round, just the place we have marked. And then that's it. In order to make this more visible, guys, so I have to connect this with my marker and make it more clearer so you all can see this. So perfect. Then I labeled it my facing, and also add add 1 inch on the side seam area, and ½ inch on the top area, the waistline area where you'll be joining this. ½ inch. So here we go. Now in order to create the curved area, I will have to go from the side hip area upwards 1½ inch. Mark that area, so that's 1½ inch. Then on the waistline area, you mark 2 inches inwards, so that's 2 inches. Then I'll be going ahead to connect that point from the waistline downwards using my French curves. So connect that carefully downwards. So that's the curved area. I will also be tracing this on another piece of paper. So we trace the curved area straight down and the seam area. So in order for this to be more clearer too, I had to trace this. You'll go ahead and trace this round and then connect the curved area. So guys, this is the area where you add your 1 inch on the seam area, and the curved area will be ½ inch. Also the waist area ½ inch. Here we go. Then I also had to correct this. This is actually my inner and this is the facing. So I'll connect that on a straight line. Seam area, waist area. So back to our pattern, this is what it looks like. So here I'll be adding on my seam area 1 inch, and on the curved pocket area 1/2 inch, and round to the crotch line 1/2 inch. Then hemming will be 1.5 inch. So let's go, guys. 1 inch, so here we do 1/2 inch, and the waist area, the waistline area 1/2 inch. So while we are adding 1/2 inch, it should, in case you want to connect your band, you know, 1/2 inch around the crotch area. So this is the area where you connect to the back, the center back pattern of the trouser. So for hem is 1.5 inch, your hemming allowance. So guys, connect all those mark points on a straight line, and also curve the area where you need to curve. Straight line. So using our French curves, nice and slow. Yep. Here we go, and connect that on a straight line. So perfect. Now we're going to cut out the excess paper on the side. So for my dart, I ignored it completely because it wasn't of so much importance. It's about 1/2 inch, and I just felt, oh, that's, I could fizzle it out into the fabric. But in some cases you can remove the darts. So here we go. This is already set. That's the inner of the inner part of the trouser and the facing part all arranged together. So guys, thank you for staying tuned. Subscribe to our channel and ready to sew.